to New York. Me and a few joints, about to meet at the club port. Look for the Rolls Royce, on it up the jet. Goddamn, I don't get no rest. Goddamn, I want my respect. Goddamn, I've been running up a check. And we forget ease my stress. Goddamn.
Alright guys, what the fuck is going on? I'm gonna be fucking late to my flight. I am a little fucked. Driving to Buffalo. Alright guys, so I finally made it to the fucking border after squeeze benzing through traffic. Let me show you guys the border real quick, man. Where we're at, we're kind of fucking stuck.
You brought your passport?
Yeah, of course I brought my passport.
Oh no, oh shit.
Bro.
Where is it?
It's right here. yeah, I should have seen his fucking face. He's like, oh. Guys, we finally made it to Buffalo in the fucking daily driver beater. We drove to fucking Buffalo. Like I was saying, they didn't stop me at the border. They just told me never hop up the car again on them or I have issues. I'm like, sorry. And yeah, they let me through the border. So now we're about to just cut up, man. Should we show them what we're about to do? Oh, that guy's pissed off. That guy's pissed. Oh, it's a girl. Oh shit. Hold on.
Said he wanna scat back, I said your ass return. I can figure out which one I want, I'm like it's time to go. I don't want no base model cat, never need to move slow.
Oh my god! Oh my god! I actually lost it. I need to. Oh, there's a cop right there. It's right there. But guess what? We don't got US plates, so we can still run. Hi everybody, I just landed in Miami. Got a special Uber picking me up right now. Oh shit! Oh my god! Chupapi Monyeño, is that you? Oh shit, what's going on with you, gang? This bitch tough as fuck. You sure this can fit it?
Hell yeah, sure.
Oh my, it actually fitted, chat. Congrats, bro. Hell yeah, good shit. Yeah?
Yeah, hell yeah.
Oh my god.
In the back.
Oh, what? Hold on, what? God, holy shit. Shit, my bad, gang. Carbon fiber seats? No gas, by the way, guys. He's on an empty fucking tank, no gas, okay.
No gas,
holy
man.
shit. Guys, so Will just brought me to some random place called fucking Flanagan's. What is this place, bro?
We're at Flanagan's. If you live in Miami, if you live in Florida in general, you know what this place is.
Flanagan's, okay.
The pretty only bad thing about this place is it's always fucking full to capacity.
So is it good food?
Yeah, it's fire food.
Sir, I have a question. Have you had food here before? It's my first time here. Is it good? Yeah.
It's good.
It's good?
You Haitian?
Yeah.
You speak Creole?
Yes.
Oh shit, him too. He's from Haiti. He's from Haiti. Hell yeah. You speak their language? Look at the trees.
It's random.
Wow. Look at the trees, guys. I don't see this back at home. I just see Wendy's and a lot of Indians everywhere. Wow.
That's
He's
crazy.
just
But you know what motherfuckers be like,
Niggas ain't even doing it, man. You might not even touch this bitch in your life.
Then you start looking in the mirror.
Oh my god. Dame had a
Yeah,
whole
my dog
car.
was already
And
inviting
he
me
gets
to
in the
the
back of the
weekend.
Maybach. You're like, Colin, just take the car, bro.
I don't fuck, man. We got the vet
It
in the
was
front
some
of this
crooks
bitch, man.
back
Oh,
in-
yeah.
The camera,
Back when I
man.
started going there,
Vet
and
in front.
I'm like,
Vet
oh,
right
that's
there.
where all the hoes
Oh
are.
my god.
I just switched
So,
it up, man.
once
So
I
from
seen
vet
that,
to the,
once I was like, I need to transform.
You're
I'm in
just
the
tough,
gym,
bro. I
see
can't
all
lie.
I said, oh, yeah,
What
this
jewelry
white
that is, man?
It's Shop KZA, man. You know what I'm saying?
Crazy Ambitions?
Shop Crazy Ambition.
Oh my god. VS1s, bro?
VBS, man.
VBS,
Sally S. Holmes.
Stop playing with us. We're trying to figure out how to use the Maybach. What the fuck did you do, bro?
Look like we got a tablet, Samsung tablet, motherfucker.
They gave us a Samsung. Turn that on. The Samsung tablet and the Maybach don't work, chat.
That's where I first ever seen
You
you.
can charge your phone here. See if it charges.
First time I ever seen you, it was a picture of you and your girl.
I don't
It was
think
like some couples goals,
Some
like
bullshit.
relationship goals shit.
it don't fucking charge. Nah, it's not charging.
You got your case on that game.
How many?
Yeah, slide that bitch in there like
I
that.
don't think it's working. Oh,
Man,
nah.
back of the back, man.
Back of the back. That shit worked.
Let me show you something, Rick.
Let me see. It's moving to the. Oh my god. Oh my god. That's. Damn.
Oh, man, we
Is it straight Shopify? Oh.
The glitch, man. You know what I'm saying? You want to turn your life up, man? You want to goddamn turn your brand up, man? Come fuck with your boy Ray,
Yeah,
man.
yeah, we the glitch boys at this point, bro.
Turn shit up, man.
Ah, damn, in the back of the back, just glitching out Shopify, like, oh my god. Ooh.
Stuff like that, man. You know what I'm saying? We got John Paul on the long sleeve, man.
Oh.
Got ERL on the shoes, man.
I've never seen those shoes before.
Man, this shit costs, man. You know what I'm saying?
What about the teeth, man? What you got on the teeth?
My man, we go about at least a 10 dub, you know what I'm saying? On teeth,
I
man.
mean, I
Oh
told
my
man.
god.
We go dinner design.
He ain't
you know
listen. I
what
said,
Yeah, you
listen,
gotta stop playing with bro, man.
I'm saying? Come on, man. I like shit, man.
You like shit, you like living lavish, bro. Come on now.
I'll tell you
Yeah,
some
come
shit.
on now.
And you don't follow.
They got lights in the top, too?
Damn, the roof go back.
What you mean?
When he been
The
first
roof
showed
go
me, I
back.
said,
Oh, the roof open?
Yeah.
How the fuck that shit fit back
add
there?
some shit on the back, or like
Oh
throw
my
some,
god.
like some
Wow.
more shit on it, or something.
Little Maybach logos right here to let them know it's a Maybach. Bro, how much food did you order, bro?
Hey, listen, when you've been on the cut for over a year, bro, you can do things like this. You know what I'm saying?
Bro, how much calories is that,
Repay your
guys?
body back.
How many calories is that?
That's like 8,000
There you
calories.
go. Look at yours.
Oh my god. Oh shit. That looks fire. Okay, okay. I'm thinking this is like 4,000 calories easily. Gio, I think it's 4,000 calories.
500.
Nah, I can't eat this in one.
But how many calories do you think this
Like,
is?
all right, listen. You never had that craving of just like you don't want too much of something, but you just kind of like want a little bit of this, a little bit of this, a little bit of that.
There's a little buffet going on. I got the tacos. Where the fuck are we going, Gio?
Hey man, we going to Young LA. They're having a fitness event. You feel
Okay.
me? This is day 2. You missed day 1, my boy.
I missed day one.
But
Fuck.
I think
Okay.
day 2 might be better.
Might be better. Oh shit.
Catch that.
Oh shit.
You missed
Fuck, I missed it. I was so stuck.
Yo, you missed it.
What part of Miami are we in right now, bro?
The trenches.
This is the trenches?
So how Miami is like
Yeah.
you can have like a nice area
Yeah.
and then cross the street and now you're in the trenches. And then
Wow.
like right now we in the trenches and then once we pass this, we'll be back like
In the nice area?
somewhat.
We just popped out to the event. Bro, tell me how we just ended up skipping the line. This motherfucker Gio not even on the phone with nobody. He just acted like, yeah, we on the phone. Can't lie, guys. It's loud as fucking here. It's packed. It's fucking impossible to walk. There's a line for the bathroom, so we're about to get up out of here. Actually, let me just show y'all how cooked it is. Absolutely cooked. Alright, Dame, where we at right now?
Ocean Drive with it right now, man.
Ocean Drive. I have no clue what that is, bro.
You know what I'm saying? It's like a little strip.
A little
Like
strip?
Any type of like college strip.
Yeah. Oh, one of those?
Yeah, one of those type
Oh,
vibe, man.
hell
Finna
yeah.
see what the hell out there, bitch. You feel me?
Yeah, yeah.
See if we can catch us some fishes out here or something.
Sharking outside? Are we sharking outside, Dame? Is that what's going on?
Yeah, man. What happens in Miami stays in Miami, man.
Happens in Miami, stays in Miami, guys. We're good people. We don't do nothing. We're dolphins. We don't shark here.
Stick up, I won't see if you got mega knees. You better use your head, you get the plan, my boy, your head gon' blow. Just wire me 150, with you and them with you. My Julie mama said I'm trippin'. These niggas broke up, being around this, I might get the cooties. You went and bought that bitch about that, buy my bitches boom, I got more chicken than a Hooters, nigga. I'm a hooligan. Dior, I got no Christian, nigga, not no Christian Louboutin. You ain't got no fucking money, fuck you think you fooling, bitch. All these balls and books around this bitch, I might just school it. Nigga, quit it with the foolery. All this dog shit look like I just got done using her. Been about 30 in the, I just got done using it. Keep your eyes on your bitch before you end up losing it. That boy in jail, bro, him this bitch, I know he in there losing it. Hey, stop playing with me, nigga. Fuck around with you, niggas. I ain't no motherfucking games, nigga. I ain't no motherfucking kid, nigga. I don't do this shit for fun, dumbass, nigga. Falls up, nigga, falls down, forever lit, nigga. I'ma be lit forever. Little boy, I'm gonna be rich forever. Bitch, head weak, she couldn't catch this drink. Got me oversleeping. Oversleeping. In the SRT, we creeping. Send that boy to see the Reeves. Phone slamming like Batista. Bitch, I'm in the bank right now. Little baby, sorry you couldn't reach me. Bitch, I'm on the drink right now. She said I'm see all this shit I reached before. I damn near hit a pocket, put $1 in the ghost. I play on any niggas, I don't know what I got on me, my pockets bold. You don't want me to press that boy about you shouldn't have came and told me. Pussy, I'm finna block this bitch, she keep on sending emojis. I'm off 2 Aggies, bustin' hard, I need my drink a little colder. I met the plug at Culver's, but I ain't come for no burgers. Bitch, I bought a chicken, busted down, I swear the profit worth it. I ain't worried about one nigga in this bitch, I'm strapped.
Apparently this fish has eyes and it's cooked fish.
How do I say that? It's not an easy word.
If they were saying pepe, let's separate it in syllables, right? It's pepe.
Oh wow.
Yo, nada.
Some cool fish right here.
Pepe, ro, nada. Pepe, ro, nada. Pepe, ro, nada. You're getting at it. Pepe, ro, nada.
Peperonada.
Kinda, yeah.
Yeah.
Confidence. There you go.
Yeah. Peperonada.
Pepe, ro, nada.
Yeah, you can just put it anywhere.
There you go.
A steak, this fish. So I can see the fish eye right here, guys. Fish has eyes. $100, I'm gonna eat the fish eyes right here. You can see its fucking eyes. Peperonada.
There you go.
Peperonada, gang.
We eat that peperonada.
Peperonada, man. Fish eyes, if they give me $100. Yeah, look, you can see his eyeballs and shit.
Dang, eat the eyeball.
Damn, I'll give you $50 if you eat the eyeball, bro.
Give me goddamn at least 50% of that Amex.
Look at the eyeball real quick. Brother, if I eat the eyeball, will I be fine? Yo, should I eat the eyeball?
Yeah.
It's white. These are pork balls.
Oh, this is the steak.
Nah, these are the pork balls.
It is.
Try it. Will, when did you end up getting YouTube Plex, bro? Will.
Oh,
Shit.
you know shit. Just when I started grinding this shit.
Shit, how long ago, man?
Man, just
Wait, hold on.
a couple years.
Wait. Why does that say Smooth G? Wait. I thought he didn't have the plaque. My bad. He actually does have two.
Gio has one more.
2 plaques actually. What happens here?
Well, those are the streets.
Well, no. What happens on here?
Well, I should say a lot of naked men. I mean,
No,
a lot
what?
of naked women.
Oh
A lot
wow.
of naked women.
You said I can't sit on there, right? Just because
You
of.
can sit on there. You're
No.
having a lot of nuts things.
Yeah. So. Oh my God, Will just be going crazy with the booby trap on the runs. Booby trap on the runs, man.
Booby trap on the runs.
Booby trap on the runs. What do you guys know about that? Got the Toma right here. I'm at 1%. My DJI's about to die, guys. So this is Will's room. If you guys didn't know where Will lived.
We'll turn off the lights here. We'll
Yeah.
fuck around.
Yo, what?